people have gone through a lot of loss, job loss, money loss, economic loss, loss of life, and so on. So today we will be talking about two specific examples of how they made use of lockdown, how despite the job crisis, despite a lot of loss financially, they had hopes in their life, and that hope made them successful within the lockdown period. Most of us took this lockdown in a negative aspect, but there are many of us who also took this lockdown in a positive aspect to change our life in a positive way. So here are two solid examples that you really need to know to understand that you shouldn't give any reason or excuses in life. Lockdown is not an excuse for your financial crisis. Maybe you can think out of the box to become a better person, to get a better job. So today we will be looking into that aspect. So let's get into the video. So today we will be talking about two people who lost their jobs and they started their own business because they lost their jobs during pandemic and now they are successful. So to begin with, I'm going to talk about a chef who was based in Delhi. So this chef has been working for a really long time with many big restaurants. But with lockdown, what happened was the restaurant started closing, and as a result, even his job was on a stake. So at this point, what he does is he's lost his job and his family is living on his saving. So at this point, he realizes that okay, he tries out something new. He starts making jams and chutneys out of the fruits that he finds out of his house, that the gardens in his house, and eventually then he starts making it into a small business wherein he gets the fruits from different vendors from different places like Shimla or in some other places like that through his friends and through some contacts, and then he used to make this product into jams and chutneys and he wanted to sell it. He branded this company as Anya's Preserves. So he made it a brand and he started his own business of selling this. At first it was hard for him to sell. First he sent it among his friends, colleagues and customers who were in touch with him, and eventually there was a lot of demand for this product, and within 10 days the products used to get sold out. This is how pandemic gave him another chance to become successful in life. He could have thought that okay, the restaurants are closed and I do not have any other option in life now until restaurants open. But he did not do so. He understood that he should act according to the situation, so he took step according to the situation. He thought out of the box of making something out of what talent he has, and as a result he made his own brand, Anya's Preserves. After listening to this story, many of you would be thinking that obviously he was a big chef, so he had a lot of money, so he had savings to like the initial investment for the business, so obviously he's going to do well. So I know if you have this question, if you really think of it from this point of view, I have another example for you of a watchman who's making really good money now. This watchman was working in Mumbai and he was earning 12,000 per month. He had only completed his 12th standard, but he had big dreams. So for his living, he had to do this job of being a watchman. But what happened as lockdown struck, he was thrown out of the job and he didn't have any job at that point. But still, what he did was he went to few other shops for asking for job, and he did some kind of job that could give him 2 meals a day or 3 meals a day. So he was doing some random jobs. So at that point he realized that this groceries or snacks shops are making profit. So he thought he will take all his savings and start a business in that. So he started the business. But what happened next was a strict lockdown, a nationwide lockdown. Everything was locked. And then again he lost all his savings, he lost his job and he didn't know what to do. So slowly after 2 months or 3 months, he got another idea of selling tea. Basically everyone likes to have this chai time after a busy work time or a chat time. But now that was not possible because many of them kept health as their priority. They were getting scared to order something online. So what he did was he started selling tea to places where industrial work was happening or to companies. And And at first what he did was he started giving this tea for free for nearly a month. After this, he slowly started getting orders, and now you know the amount he's making 2.5 lakhs per month. He got the idea of selling teas. He understood that people had health as their priority. You know, he could have given up when he lost his job. He could have given up when all his savings went to waste because he rented a snacking business area and everything was at a loss because there was a lockdown. But he didn't give up even at that point because he knew that he should try, he should give his complete best, and he should not give up no matter what the situation is. And that behavior has given him success now. So I guess you understood that, you know, it doesn't matter what situation you are in, but you need to adapt to such situations. If this situation is really hard, try to think out of the box. Try to think about plans that work during this situation and work on it. These are just two people that I've told about, but all over the world there are many people who are coming through different ideas so that they get some kind of an occupation, they get some kind of a job, they get some, they get some means of living, and they have been successful in that because they know that no matter what the situation is, if they think hard and they don't give up, they are going to be successful one day. So don't give up your hope. No matter what the situation is, just think out of the box and you will find a solution, you will find a successful way out. You know, I'll end by saying find a solution or make one. So don't forget this. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you are going through some crisis, believe in yourself. You will surely get out of this crisis. Just keep working on it. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.